Toddy filters are uniquely designed specifically for cold brew filtration, extracting all the natural and delicious flavors of coffee and tea, and leaving behind the bitter acids and oils. Genuine Toddy reusable replacement part. Filters are suggested to be changed after 10 to 12 uses or after 3 months, whichever comes first. Prolonged life when paired with the new Toddy Paper Filters. Replacement filters for the Toddy Cold Brew System. Set of 2 reusable filters. Top reviews from the United States. I've been using a Toddy maker for 30+ years. I've ordered Toddy filters a lot over that time. I've also ordered knockoff filters during that time. The original Toddy filter mostly fit better, however I haven't never gotten really lousy knockoff filters either, although the knockoffs are usually thinner. I also don't refrigerate my Toddy filters. They get rinsed out and occasionally boiled, when the flow gets real slow, then dried out and put in the closet, and moistened again before use. It's a great product, but there are alternatives out there that work just as well as what I've found over the last 30+ years.